Hello, welcome to the Curly Express. Dwight here. I want to make a video here talking about the Dash 9 rivet counter. Well, actually, I do have a rivet. I think that, I got a rivet counter, which is this engine here that I'm not able to get to work at all. I mean, it works, but it doesn't, do much. But my big great pumpkin, though, I fixed that. That baby flies pretty good. I love it. I love that train. Even you guys don't like somebody don't like it because somebody made a comment. So I had a comment in my look, I'm having coffee and trains this morning. I had a comment in the video that I was working on that other Scales train, and it was from Real Fan Man. Guys should check out his channel. He's building a great layout. There he is over there. Don't mind the dirty dash like always. Check it. I'll put his link in down below. But he has a rivet counter and a rivet counter. A Dash 9 rivet counter. He has the same problem I was having with that how come I can't remember that? BNSF Big Pumpkin. Alright, so I've taken this apart. Unfortunately, well, I couldn't even see that last night. I broke a wire off my motor. So I guess I'm playing with this train until I figure out. I can't even get that where it belongs. Okay, so this is what you need to do. For Real Fan Man, I think his name is Jason, and whoever else is having problems with this in particular engine. Athens might be just like this too. Way I understood. But if if you dropped it or something, and the truck is hanging down loosely, all you have to do is you're going to have to remove the couplers, those screws on the couplers, and that shell will come off. Alright, so let me turn this around here. Hey, check out this. I got this zoomed in, don't I? Which way it goes? Sorry, I'm playing with the camera. Guess it's the only way out. You sure? Yeah. I made this here cradle. It's a piece of foam, and I took that foam cutter thing, and I cut that all out. I don't remember what this white thing was for, but it made a perfect place to put screws. So I cut that all out too. Alright, so hopefully I don't break any more wires off. But this thing here, this metal part here, there's two screws that holds this on. One there and one over here and this. You don't need to I did take all this apart on the other orange pumpkin one, but you don't need to do that if you can get by without taking it off. But see, I broke this wire here on this motor, but I think this motor is really dirty or something because I can't get it to move. Barely moves. Okay, you see this little board right here? You need to take the screw out and take that off. That will help you move this part here a little better. Alright, so once you get that off, take them screws off, you're going to take that off. Believe me, I don't have nothing even down in here. I took the drive shafts off and everything. But you see this, hold on 1 minute. Alright, back. You see this here? Once you take that metal thing off, and your trucks are hanging down, this piece is loose, off. They just pop off and on. All they do, just pop that baby back on. I don't think there's any grease on that. They're kind of clean, don't it? But they're really easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Then you want to make sure, check them drive shafts, too. I don't have a pointer in here. And that pointer would be way too big. But here's that drive shaft. So I learned my lesson on that, too. There's two parts to that drive shaft. That's the skinny part, and this part right here. Oops. See this part right here? That is going to go over this part. See how that goes over? And then the tip of that, this is only if the drive shaft's off. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's got like a U-joint, just like a car, actually. Just like a car. And they just snap on. See, I thought it was broke, and it's not. So all you have to do, if your truck's, Jason says, I think it's Jason. I'll just call him Real Fat Man because I'm not for sure if it's his name or not. I don't want to be calling somebody that's not their name. I get to look out the window. Birds are out there. I made a thing for the birds. Whoops, sorry, got sidetracked. But if your truck's hanging down, just that I'm for sure this piece has come off. And it's really simple. Take it off. Basically, take it all the way off, it's probably just hanging loose somewhere. And check your gears. See if you got any oil on them. And that thing will just snap right back in place with no problem. Make sure you hold on to the bottom down there, though. So I'm just going to go ahead, since I broke a wire for now, I'm just going to really clean this, learn everything about it, you know. Well, I had nothing to lose. And that's about it. Just go, after you get that back on, just flip that back. Don't take the motor out like I did. I broke a wire. That's the only reason the motor's out. I need a new tip for my heating iron. It doesn't want to... It's not a cheap brand. You know, it's the same brand that everybody else has. Wheelie or whatever it's called. And, I don't know. I need new tips. And a new tip is costs just as much as buying the whole thing. It's stupid. And I'm just going ahead. I'm going to clean this thing out because I really think this is an older one. That's all I'm going to do. Just clean it out, resolder that wire, and put it all back together and see what I got. If it doesn't run, it doesn't run. There's nothing I can do. But it can't even if it didn't run, maybe even if it just ran a little bit, can't I just hook that up to my other the pumpkin one and run both together? See, I don't understand none of that yet. Alright, guys. For whoever needs, help with their trucks with this brand of scale train, I think Athern's the same, what I've been told. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys. Catch y'all later. Bye.